Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dynamics 365 to RingCentral Auto Create Activities, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Dynamics 365 to RingCentral for auto creating activities, start by logging into your Dynamics 365 account. Next, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner. Look for the Solutions option and click on it. In the Solutions area, find and select RingCentral Integration. If you do not see it, you may need to import the RingCentral solution. Once you've located the integration, open it to configure the settings. You will need API credentials from your RingCentral account. Log into your RingCentral account in a new tab. Go to the developer portal and create a new app to obtain your client ID and client secret. Copy the client ID and client secret back to your Dynamics 365 settings. Back in Dynamics 365, find the authentication settings for RingCentral. Paste your client ID and client secret into the corresponding fields. Next, you must set the permissions for the integration. Ensure that it has access to create, read, update, and delete activities. Save your settings to ensure they are applied. Now, navigate to the webhook section in your RingCentral account. Create a new webhook to listen for call events. Make sure to specify the endpoint URL provided by Dynamics 365 for the integration. After that, return to Dynamics 365 to configure auto creation of activities. Choose which types of activities you wish to auto create, such as calls or messages. Specify how you want these activities to be logged. You might want to set filters based on call duration or participant details. Once you've configured auto creation settings, review all the configurations. Test the integration by making a few calls in RingCentral. Check if activities are being created in Dynamics 365 as expected. Finally, monitor the integration regularly to ensure everything operates smoothly. With these steps completed, your Dynamics 365 will be successfully integrated with RingCentral for auto creating activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.